They say it's a completely new type of warfare, and it is legal. It's legal.
I'd like you to notice how in this ad, the father and son are comfortably sitting playing Battleship, while the mother and daughter are cleaning dishes in the background. These sort of gender stereotypes have long existed in media cultures throughout the globe. Today we'll be looking at gender roles in Indian advertisements, the past and present, and I'd also like to talk about media advocacy and how it has helped us in the progress that we have had. Media advocacy is the strategic use of mass media to advance public policy initiatives. This may be in the sphere of environmental, political, or social issues. The first example we'll be looking at is this Surf Excel ad. Let's watch.
हम जल्दी जाएंगे और जल्दी वापस आ जाएंगे, ओके? हाँ। अरे मेरे जूते।
I'd like to pause here just for a second, and I'd like you to guess which one of these individuals will be given the responsibility of cleaning up after this little brat. Is it going to be the father, the grandparents, or the daughter-in-law?
इसके हाथों ने तो कमाल कर दिया।
पर तुम्हारे हाथों का काम तो बढ़ा दिया।
नहीं माँ, इजी है। मेरे पास अब 10 हाथ है। सर्फ एक्सेल इजी वॉश।
The problem that I see with this ad is that the advertisers and brand aren't trying to address the issue that we have with us, which is that for the longest time women have been given the responsibility of household duties and chores, and this is something that we are not to assume, and this is something that we are definitely trying to change. I don't see Surf Excel doing that in this ad. I think their messaging is slightly ignorant, where they are assuming that the mother is the one that's going to have to clean up after the child. Let's look at the next example by Ariel and see if they are contributing to the problem or trying to address this issue.
याद है 62 में जब मधु दीदी सर्विस करने लगी थी,
वो टाइपिस्ट की ना सिर्फ 6 रुपये तनख्वाह। अब मेरी बहू मेरे बेटे से ज्यादा कमाती है।
किसने सोचा था लड़कियां इतनी आगे बढ़ जाएगी?
अरे औरत होने का मजा इस जमाने में है।
रिया, वो मेरी ग्रीन शर्ट धोई क्यों नहीं?
I really like this ad. I feel like Ariel has consciously made this advertisement considering the issues that exist within their own industry. I feel like they understand that the women have been given this responsibility unfairly, and everyone should be taking care of themselves and everyone should be cleaning up after themselves, and it is no one's responsibility, it is everyone's responsibility, and I think Ariel has done a great job with this ad. The next example we are looking at is another advertisement by Ariel.
नाना ये देखो, शील्ड, लेग, हेलमेट।
होमवर्क हो गया?
मम्मी ये देखो।
फिर दाग लगा दिया। पापा ये लीजिए आपके घर जाने की टिकट। हेलो, या आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू सेंड यू द ईमेल इन 5 मिनट्स। या गिव मी 5 मिनट्स, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन द प्रेजेंट।
मेरी छोटी सी गुड़िया कितनी बड़ी हो गई, घर घर खेलती थी, अब घर संभालती है, ऑफिस संभालती है। आई एम सो प्राउड एंड आई एम सो सॉरी। सॉरी कि ये सब तुम्हें अकेले करना पड़ता है। सॉरी कि जब तुम घर घर खेलती थी तो मैंने तुम्हें रोका नहीं। ये नहीं कहा कि ये सिर्फ तुम्हारा काम नहीं है, तुम्हारे हस्बैंड का भी है, पर कहता भी कैसे है।
और मेरी ग्रीन शर्ट धो देना।
मैंने भी तो कभी तुम्हारी मम्मी की हेल्प नहीं की, और तुमने जो देखा वही सीखा। तुम्हारे हस्बैंड ने भी बचपन में यही देखा होगा। घर घर खेलते वक्त वो टीवी देखने की या न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने की एक्टिंग करता होगा, और तुम जैसी कोई छोटी सी लड़की चाय बनाने की एक्टिंग करती होगी। उसके डैड की तरफ से सॉरी, तुम्हारे डैड की तरफ से सॉरी। और हर उस डैड की तरफ से सॉरी जिसने कई कई सालों से एक गलत एग्जाम्पल सेट किया है। पर अभी भी देर नहीं हुई। इस सॉरी के साथ मैं अपनी तरफ से एक छोटी सी कोशिश करूंगा कि घर के काम में मम्मी की हेल्प करूं। किचन का किंग ना बन पाऊं तो कम से कम लॉन्ड्री में तो हाथ बटाऊं। इतने साल एक गलत एग्जाम्पल सेट किया है, अब कुछ सही कर जाऊं। तुम्हारा पापा।
I feel like they've taken it even a step further than the previous one. They are not only discussing the issues that exist within their own industry, but they're also addressing the issue from a sort of grassroots level. Why is it that we have been culturally ingrained and normalized to seeing women perform certain duties or behave a certain way or expect them to have a certain mentality? Ariel has done an absolutely amazing job with both those ads. Growing up, a lot of advertisements by brands such as Boost, Complan and Bonvita were always marketed at making the son taller, stronger, a better performer and achiever. The girl child, if not often, was always left out of this picture completely. This is why media advocacy is really important, because we have seen massive change when it comes to this. Let's look at some current examples of advertisements by these brands.
हम अपनी तैयारी बेहतर लोगों के साथ करेंगे। ये आदत हमें एहसास दिलाती रहेगी कि हम कितने काबिल हैं। पर आदतें ना एक दिन में बनती है, ना आसानी से। क्योंकि जिंदगी में मुकाबला कभी बराबरी का नहीं होगा, लेकिन अब से हम 2 कदम आगे रहेंगे। सिर्फ एक माँ अच्छी आदतों की अहमियत समझती है, इसलिए मैं उसे रोज बोनवीटा देती हूँ।
I love this ad. I feel like they've done a terrific job. Not only have they been conscious about the messaging, but it's been really well made. It seems like a single mother that is raising her daughter to be tough and independent. Also revealing she's a girl only towards the end is a perfect play on the viewer's expectations. The next advertisement that we are looking at is by Horlicks. Let's watch.
अच्छा गाड़ी में रहो। क्या कर रही हो?
Can I help? Jack.
हो गया।
देखा था। अब चले।
तुम कब इतने बड़े हो गए? हॉर्लिक्स।
I love this ad as well. I almost cried. I think I did actually cry. And I feel like they've done an amazing job at the messaging of it. We need more advertisements like this and the previous one. I love the fact that they are reaching out to women and boys and everyone and showing them that, listen, our previous notions of certain gender roles, or a woman should be a mother or only belongs in the house, these things need to go, and this is basically the time to do it in, and this is the method that we are going to do it through. The next ad that we are going to be looking at is by ICICI.
दिल के पूरे बच्चे हैं, पर बंदे अच्छे हैं, पर बंदे अच्छे हैं, भूल भाल जाते हैं, थोड़े कच्चे हैं, पर बंदे अच्छे हैं, पर बंदे अच्छे हैं, पर बंदे अच्छे हैं। इनकी आदतों की हजार किस्से हैं, पर बंदे अच्छे हैं। चेंज वेंज होते नहीं, पर मन के सच्चे हैं, पर बंदे अच्छे हैं, पर बंदे अच्छे हैं।
जो जिम्मेदारी निभाते हैं, जताते नहीं, उनको सुरक्षा देते हैं हम। ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, जिम्मेदारी का हमसफर।
This ad is, in my view, a really terrible ad. I don't know what they were really thinking while making this. The first issue that I see is that they are sort of putting children and women in the same boat. Now, at this point, you see that the man, the husband, is actually sitting in front of his wife to protect her from sunlight. So this is the advertisers who have made this ad telling you that, yo, this woman doesn't know at her age, probably 70, 80, I wouldn't like to make any assumptions, does not know how sunlight still works, and this husband of hers needs to come and save her. And the same thing happens when this couple is walking on the road and the man goes and sort of like protects us. Listen, women are really capable. They can walk on the road, they know how sunlight works, they know how to take care of themselves. I completely agree that children may be irresponsible, and hence you need both the parents to take care of those children, but not just a father taking care of the child and the wife in exactly the same way. And I don't know what jatate nahi means really, so if you could maybe like help me out in the comments below of what that means. But I feel like what they're saying is men are responsible and they are capable, and women are like children, incapable and need a helping hand. And that's the messaging of this ad, and I feel like they've done a really bad job with it. I was working on this Kannada feature film recently. I'm not going to give you the name of the film or the director because of what I'm about to say. I'm going through the script, and there's a scene where the male protagonist and a female protagonist walk into the office of a politician. The politician looks at the lady for some reason and asks her, "Who are you?" And the male protagonist answers, "She is a strong, independent woman." So I'm reading this and I look at the director and I'm like, Mr. Director sir, if she's a strong, independent woman, why doesn't she just say it? The next advertisement is also by ICICI, and this is a couple of years later. It seems like someone in their marketing team or their content creating team had this conversation, and let's see what changed.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning.
Your bill. How was your stay?
Amazing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Payment's done.
जी मैडम।
भैया टैंक फुल कर दो।
हाँ जी।
मैडम,
हाँ?
कार्ड दीजिए।
1 मिनट।
अरे कार्ड दीजिए।
कर दिया पेमेंट। थैंक यू।
लालू, इधर आ।
हाँ यार, पेमेंट तो हो गया। हो गया। देखो।
परफेक्ट।
तो आज घड़ी या मोबाइल?
आप बताइए चाचा जी, कैसे पेमेंट करूं?
चल घड़ी।
घड़ी?
हाँ।
बस हो गया। बाय चाचा जी।
हो गया। बाय।
Done. Thank you. Bye.
They have understood what issues exist and they have tried to address them in this. Young girls and young boys need to see women in leadership roles so that they are not normalized to this idea that a woman should think a certain way or only has a certain responsibility or is only supposed to be a mother or only supposed to be a wife and is only supposed to be anything, nothing, right? So we need to sort of like change this perception that people have, and it is changing, and this is the way to do it, and I really like this ad. It's really important that brands are held responsible for the way they are either contributing to the issues, either environmentally, socially or politically, and also that the brands that are addressing these issues are appreciated, and we endorse these brands and we encourage more such brands and more such change.
Kids are impressionable. That's why here at this station, we watch the programs and commercials your child watches carefully. He may see bad guys, but not in the role of heroes. He'll learn that crime doesn't pay. Because your child's welfare is our concern, too. That's part of our code.